Fundamentally, I just want to talk about how you can enjoy Europe and what makes it such a great place to travel. For one thing, fundamental is finding the places that I call the back doors. Back doors, places where you're received not as part of the economy, but as part of the party. Places that have no promotional budgets. That's really important because we are attracted to places with big promotional budgets, and that's fun. But places like this are just going through another century. This is Civita di Bagnoregio, 2 hours north of Rome. I'm not going to talk a lot about specific places in this next 45 minutes. I'm going to be talking about how we can distinguish our trip by going beyond the Acropolis. Now, I love the Acropolis. I can hardly wait to go to the Acropolis, and I know how to enjoy it really well. I'm the last guy on the hill when the guard's blowing the whistle and it's time to go down, and it's all mine. And I don't have, I'm not going to really be talking about the obvious things like the windmills and the wooden shoes. I love that too. But what really a lot of people miss is finding places that have somehow missed the modern boat. Places that, for whatever quirky reason, are just going through another century. This is the Italian Riviera. Distinct from little resorts nearby where you get a big traffic jam, this is just you in hardcore old world Italy. Look at this town. It's perfectly preserved. There's no new buildings in Vernazza on the Cinque Terre because this is a national park. And if you're a landowner, you're not allowed to get a permit to make new buildings. That makes the town very nice and charming and beautiful for a photograph, but it also means there's no comfortable hotels. And that's a beautiful thing, because it keeps away the most obnoxious slice of the traveling public, people who insist on comfortable hotels. If you can be a rugged traveler and enjoy a little B&B or a guest house in a town like this, you've got pure old-fashioned Italy in your laps, and that's what I love.